guys, so I'm gonna show you how to fix a low audio in a VLC player. But before we go to the don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more VLC Media tutorials. Open VLC Media player and head over to the help on the top at bar. Click ship for updates, and this will fix the update version of your VLC Media player. Head over to audio and head over to audio device. So choose your default audio device here. For example, for me it's this. You take audio, and you can head over to settings here. Head over the tools here and click on preferences. For audio fine, click output mode, making sure it's automatic. And for HDMI is disabled audio pass-through. And click on save, and this should be fix your problem. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.